Namaskar. I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. A year ago, the India-Canada relationship started to get bitter when the ruling government of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau put baseless accusations on India in the murder of the Sikh separatist terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. From that day until now, the bilateral relations between the both nations have deteriorated further. The Liberal Party's Justin Trudeau, who has never thought twice before accusing India, might forget that in the last 8 to 9 years, his former ally, the New Democratic Party led by Sikh separatist Jagmeet Singh, has been funded by several notorious sources. A latest report by CNN News 18 has accessed exclusive documents that reveal how six separatist terrorists have been funding Canada's New Democratic Party. Documents reveal that slain six separatist terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar contributed financially to Jagmeet Singh's New Democratic Party on multiple occasions between 2014 and 2019. The records show Nijjar's first donation on June 26, 2014 for 250 Canadian dollars, that is 15,139 rupees. In November 2017, Nijjar made three separate donations of 375 Canadian dollars each, amounting to rupees 22,705 per transaction. Another set of documents show that Sikh separatist terrorist Mohd Haliwal also made contributions to the NDP from 2017 to 2021. His donations began in May 2017 with a 1,550 Canadian dollar contribution to the NDP. On November 14, 2018, he donated 1,000 Canadian dollars, followed by donations totaling over 4,000 Canadian dollars in May and June 2019. Additional records show a donation of 1,000 Canadian dollars on September 6, 2019, and another of 500 Canadian dollars on September 18, 2021. Further records indicate that Sikh separatist terrorist Tehal Singh made a 200 Canadian dollar donation to the NDP on October 26, 2017. Another terrorist, Bhagat Brar, contributed 400 Canadian dollars to Singh's campaign in June 2017, as per the Canadian election website. Additional documents accessed by CNN News 18 also list donations from Sikh separatist terrorists Malkeet Singh and Dulai in 2015 and 2017. These revelations come at a time when Canada's inaction against Sikh extremism has reached new lows. Despite India's repeated extradition requests, Trudeau's government has done nothing to curb the growing influence of these extremist factions. Canada has witnessed attacks on Hindu temples, harassment of Hindu leaders, and other violent acts against Hindu communities over the past year. In a shocking display of negligence, Canadian police have reportedly demanded exorbitant fees from Hindu organizations in exchange for basic protection, with Peel police allegedly asking Hindu groups for $70,000. Hindu organizations have condemned this as a blatant abuse of civil rights, laying the blame squarely at the feet of the Trudeau government. Even beyond Canada, the reach of Sikh separatist propaganda has become a global menace. The extremist group Sikhs for Justice is now planning a separatist referendum in Auckland, New Zealand on November 17. Funding for this event reportedly originates from India, driven by organized crime networks operating through illegal weapons, drug smuggling, and money laundering schemes. These operations, uncovered by Indian intelligence, further exposes the nexus of terror, crime, and separatist agendas. These developments, the NDP's extremist funding, Canadian government's failure to protect its Hindu population, and the worldwide spread of Sikh separatist propaganda reveals a disturbing trend. Under Trudeau's watch, Canada has become a hotbed of extremist agendas and not only disrupts its own national harmony but also poses a global threat. The Trudeau government's tolerance of and ties to separatist elements have jeopardized India-Canada relations and stained Canada's reputation as a responsible global partner. Until Trudeau addresses these issues with the seriousness they demand, Canada's stance on terrorism will remain suspect, and trust between India and Canada will remain irreparably damaged. Jai Hind.